Hey little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's practice is full of playful moves and calm breaths to help you feel strong, happy, and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a big deep breath, and let's begin. Squat with feet wider than hips. Press your elbows against your inner knees, bringing your palms together at your heart. Lengthen your spine. Drop your tailbone and keep your chest. Sit cross-legged. Place one hand on the floor and reach the other arm overhead. Lean to the side, lengthening your torso while keeping both sit bones grounded. Breathe into your ribs. Lie on your back. Lift your legs and hips. Slowly lower your feet over your head to the floor. Keep your legs straight. Support your back with your hands. Kneel down with your knees a little apart. Reach back and hold your heels. Lift your chest up high like a shining star. Gently push your hips forward. Keep your neck long and take slow, deep breaths. Sit down and bend your knees. Lean back just a little. Lift your legs to make a big V shape. Stretch your arms forward. Sit tall, open your chest, and keep your tummy strong. Start on all fours. Exhale, round your spine toward the ceiling and tuck your chin to your chest. Pull your navel toward your spine, stretching your back and neck deeply. Lie on your belly. Bend your knees and hold your ankles. Inhale and lift your chest and legs into a bow shape. Look forward and breathe deeply. Kneel and extend one leg forward and the other back. Gradually lower your hips until both legs are straight and flat on the mat. Keep your torso upright and raise your arms high. Kneel and extend one leg to the side. Reach your arm over your head and lean toward the extended leg. Keep your chest open and feel the stretch along your side. Stand tall with your feet together. Lift your arms up. Bend your knees like you're sitting in a magic chair. Keep your back long and your weight in your heels. Come onto your hands and knees. Lift your hips up high and push your chest toward your legs. Make a big upside down V. Keep your back long, heels down, and fingers wide. Come onto your hands and knees. Lift your hips up high and push your chest toward your legs. Make a big upside down V. Keep your back long, heels down, and fingers wide. Sit down with your legs stretched out. Place each foot on the opposite thigh. Sit tall, rest your hands on your knees, and breathe slowly and calmly. Kneel down and sit on your heels. Fold forward and rest your forehead on the floor. Stretch your arms forward or by your sides. Take deep breaths and relax your back. Sit with your legs straight out. Flex your feet and place your palms by your hips. Sit tall, keep shoulders down, and look forward. Tighten your tummy and legs a little. Start on all fours, then extend your legs back. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core. Stack shoulders over wrists and breathe steadily. From plank, lean on one hand and the side of one foot. Stack your feet, lift your hips high, and reach your other arm up to the sky. Stand tall. Exhale and fold forward from your hips. Let your head hang heavy and reach your hands toward the floor or ankles. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Sit with legs extended. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Then exhale and fold forward from your hips. Reach for your feet, keeping your back flat and chest moving toward your shins. Lie on your back. Place hands by your ears. Press into your palms and feet. Inhale and lift your body into an arch. Straighten your arms and relax your head. Step your feet wide. Turn one foot out and bend that knee. Stretch your arms out like a superhero. Look over your front hand and keep your body strong and centered. Fantastic job, little yogis! You moved, stretched, and breathed amazingly today. If you enjoyed our practice, tap like and subscribe so you don't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now, take a big, deep breath in and a slow, gentle breath out.